Oh, geez. I'm here in Shawano, and guess what? I bought another kayak. But this one is just a paddle kayak. But it's basically an Old Town Sportsman 120. But I bought it from Dick's, so it's called Lakewalker 120. I got my stuff in here. Already bought the boat pass for the day. And got the envelope for tomorrow, so it'll make it easy in the morning. So we'll test out the kayak, and we'll see if I like it or not. All right, it's time to go fishing. Oh, fantastic, I got something. And then it got off because I didn't set the hook. I had my drag set too far. Jeepers creepers. This ain't in your way, is it?
No. Okay. Catch anything?
I had 2 bites and I forgot to grab my bag with all my baits, so, so I had to come all the way back.
Next time.
Yeah. Finally got my first fish. It's a beautiful sunfish. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Oh, donk. That is a hand-sized bluegill. That thing came out of nowhere. Let's see how big that is. About a 7, but look how pretty that is. And they're pretty here. Look at that color. Oh, look at this. Whoa! That's awesome. What the heck was that? Did I just get a perch blow up? Huh, that was weird, man. It's another nice bluegill. A little bit better. Oh, look at that. I finally got a bass. Nice. Is this the time that you come out, guys? Little guy. That's super fun in the kayak. Probably 12. Not very big, but it's a win. It's a win. Another bluegill. Nice bluegill. Look at that big bad boy. A lot of meat on those. Another nice bluegill. Catching a few of those 7-inchers. Wouldn't mind catching a 10. There we go, that's a good one. Another 7, 6, 7. 6'7". I apologize. Look at that hog. Pretty sure that's the biggest one of the day. Pretty big. Yeah, I like this kayak. It's relatively comfortable. I don't have any back pain. I probably will when I get off of it here, but sitting here it's pretty comfortable. I got everything everywhere, so I'll have to do something about that. But yeah, it's been fun today. Oh, that was a big one. Could feel it. Grabbed it right when it hit and just took off with it, and I wasn't. Whoa! Oh no. Come on. Dirty thing. Little largy. Something huge was right by my boat. Wonder if it was a sturgeon. Oh. Pretty funny, I helped the guy put a cooler in his truck. It was a giant cooler. He was so happy he gave me a hug. It's about 6:45 in the morning. Time to do some fishing. Alright, first fish of the day. It's a nice little rock bass. Not really little, but nice rock bass. Alright, second fish of the day, another rock bass. Starting to see a pattern. Look at those perch. That's bait. Bluegill. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's a largemouth or a big fat bluegill. Oh yeah, big fat bluegill. Look at that. Beautiful. He's been bit by something. Bluegill are beautiful. Just beautiful fish. Another gorgeous bluegill. Oh, that was a good. That was a fun day out on the water. Very rough on a kayak though. But we made her. You just gotta know your limitations. Caught quite a few bluegill, and now we're going back to the campsite, clean up that, and be on our way. What did I think about the Old Town Lakewalker 12 foot? It's awesome. I could go through the water easy. The waves were pretty, I mean, they were sizable. They weren't huge, but I never felt unsafe. It's got enough room for me. The one thing I got to test out yet is if I can stand. I tried to stand, it didn't go so well. So I think next time I'm out, I will be testing that. I think it was the waves, and I'm not used to a kayak yet. So I would recommend this. The 12 foot. It's basically the Old Town Sportsman 12 foot. But it's the Dick's Sporting Good one, so it's the Lakewalker 120. Love the rod holders, and I love how much room you have in it. I like how easy the foot pedals are to like just adjust, put your foot in the right place. I gotta figure out a way to utilize that better than I did. But it was the first trip, and it worked out good, so I'm gonna put this bad boy on it, the Striker Vivid 4 CV. I'm gonna have to take all of this out and flip it upside down, and install the transducer, and then run stuff up here and find battery to hook it to. So that's my next project. Thanks for watching. Follow us on the narrow path where the road leads to life. Have a good one.